Ganapati Moola Mantra, a study, part 1. Ganapati Moola Mantra. Om Shrim Hrim Klim Glaum Gang Ganapate Varavarada Sarvajanam Me Vashamanaya Swaha. Let us begin by looking at the individual word meanings. Om, the primordial divine sound. Shrim, the Shakti or power that confers name, fame and immortality. Hrim, the Shakti or the power that confers a glowing countenance and the cooperation of the favorable earthly rulers. Klim, the Shakti or the power that confers an opportunity for receiving knowledge through the guidance of a genuine Guru. Glaum, the brilliance of Ganapati pervading in 8 directions, destroying obstacles. Gang, begin and enable the flow of Shakti. Ganapataye, by the grace of Ganapati. Vara, blessings. Varada, boons. Sarvajanam is whosoever. May, invokes. Vashamanaya, the authority given here within. Swaha, the oblations offered. Now let us put all the individual word meanings together to arrive at the composite meaning of the Ganapati Moola Mantra. With the primordial divine sound and brilliance of Ganapati that spreads in the 8 directions, destroying obstacles, rendering the flow of Shaktis which confer name, fame, immortality, a glowing countenance, cooperation of favorable earthly rulers, and the prospect of attaining knowledge from a genuine Guru by the grace of Ganapati through his showers of blessings and granting of boons to whosoever invokes the authority given here within by means of the offering of these sound oblations. Bija, the seed, and Moola, the root. The Ganapati Moola Mantra has the Bija Akshar or seed syllable of Ganapati embedded in it. A seed has energy within itself to put forth a plant when conditions are suitable. For a seed to germinate, the root is put out first to feed water to the shoot. The effect of the Moola Mantra, like the root, is not visible, but is indeed growing from the seed. After a certain time interval, the shoot becomes visible. Similarly, the effect of the mantra becomes apparent through manifestation of powers. triple Shakti, triple Ga, the sound syllable. The triple Shakti are of Mahalakshmi, which is Shreem, Mahamaya, Hreem, Krishna or Kamadev, Kleem. The sound syllable of Ga, the Bija Akshar of Ganapati, exists in the triple words of Glaum, Gang, and Ganapataye, each time taking on a different hue depending on the other syllables within the word. Glaum means the brilliance of Ganapati pervading 8 directions, which are northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest, and north, destroying obstacles. Gang is the enabling of the flow of Shakti. Ganapataye is by the grace of Ganapati. Efficacy of the Ganapati Moola Mantra. The Ganapati Moola Mantra is both Vedic and Tantric in nature. The Vedic aspect of the mantra works at the microcosmic level, that is, as an entire system consisting of Purush and Prakriti together. The Tantric nature of the mantra caters to the Purush, the human being level, regarding it as an apparatus. The statement made by great seers, "I am just an instrument in the hands of God," is referring to this feature of Vedic and Tantric. The human being, Purush, is the instrument, and the hands of God is the macrocosmic system.